Hi, my name is Nicolas. I'm the French eReader guy, and today I'll talk about the end of the Kindle Oasis. As you know, the Kindle Oasis just joined the graveyard of Kindle e-readers alongside the Kindle DX and the Kindle Voyage and the old Kindle with keyboard. So not only the Kindle Oasis is not available in the USA, but it is also out of stock in many other countries, including France, which is a major market for digital reading. The website Amazon.com is no longer listing the Kindle Oasis. You won't be able to buy a Kindle Oasis now in 2024. So the Kindle Oasis has been available since 2016. The last version has been released in 2019. So we can't say this e-reader has had a long career like the Kindle Paperwhite. Even in 2023 it was not very available. It was almost every time out of stock. So the Kindle Oasis was the high-end version of the Kindle e-readers, and it was one of the first e-readers to introduce an asymmetrical design with buttons on the side like this Kobo Libra 2. And it was offering the best features for a Kindle e-reader with a beautiful 7-inch high-definition screen, 32 gigabyte of storage, a blue light filter, and an IPX8 certification for waterproofing. Even if you can't buy a brand new Kindle Oasis e-reader, you may still be interested in it if you're looking for a bargain or second-hand e-reader, because it can sometimes be found at a reasonable price, and you can score a good deal if you can buy it for $100 or $150. And if you're looking for a good Kindle e-reader, you still have the Kindle Paperwhite, which is, in my opinion, the best Kindle around now, which has a 6.8-inch screen. It is a very good and affordable e-reader. You have the links in the description if you want to buy it. And if you want a 7-inch e-reader, you can still buy the Kindle Libra 2, which is one of my favorite e-reader. And if you want to know which is the best e-reader around now, you have a link in the description, or you can see the other video on this channel. So if you like my French accent, you can add a fun comment in the description below the video. And if you don't like me, please hit the down button. Maybe it helps with the YouTube algorithm, I don't know.